Good morning everyone. In this video I've got the latest and greatest Mi 11. Wow. Well, it has this paper which is smelling very nice. Smells like brand new technology. Anyway, now the box is humongous, very thick and very, very big. What's inside? Now that is the question.
Available from January 1st, 2021, 196 grams, glass and leather. Gorilla Glass Victus, of course. Wow. And on the back, Gorilla Glass 5. Or Eco Leather back, aluminum frame. It depends on the model. Dual SIM, nano SIM, and dual standby AMOLED. 1 billion colors, 120 Hz, HDR10 plus, 1500 nits pixels. It's very bright. 6.81 inches, 91.4% screen to body ratio, and yeah, 5500 ppi density, so it's very nice screen. This is a dongle for the headphones, which are not included. Thick manual. Okay, and we have a case, my friend. We have a case. Is any other brand give you a case with the phone? I don't think so. Okay, that's the phone itself. Let's see what's under it. Humongous brick. 55 watt fast charging, ultra fast charging. There is a piece of paper on it. How do I remove it? Now that is the question. Okay, what about specification? It has the Bluetooth 5.2, VLAN 6 dual band, so latest and greatest, USB Type-C, of course. Yeah, 55 watts. That's what it is. Quick charge 4 plus, power delivery 3.0. So fast charging 55 watts will give you 45 minutes to fully charge. The battery is 4600, so pretty big. Okay, let's open it. Wow. Feels nice. Satisfaction. Wow. What do we have on the phone? That's the speaker, Harman Kardon, microphone, USB Type-C, and SIM card tray. On this side, there's nothing, just the antenna. Another Harman Kardon speaker, very nice. Microphone and air blaster. That's brilliant. That's for trolling in the stores or somewhere. Okay, volume button and power button, and of course those humongous cameras, 108 megapixels, 1.9 light, sorry. Wow. 8K, 30 frames per second. Wait, that's not all accessories.
It's incredible. I've got a free scooter. And there it is. And like you can see, it is very nice. It has this live screen. Of course, you can change it to something else. There's tons of different wallpapers, like you can see. Okay, got it. I got it. Pictures, also pretty smooth, 120 hertz live wallpaper. Let me just show you this one. Turn off. See the earth, and now it's opening. Anyway, let's go straight to the settings. Let me show you a display. Of course, we can go 120 hertz, or we can, 120 hertz with the WQHD, which is insanely nice. Add clarity, of course. We can choose save battery with the this resolution, but nah, I don't think so. No. Look at the battery is huge. You can change the size of the text. I always like the very small text because you have more on the screen. Because dual SIM card, and yeah, tons of different features. Anyway, I know what you're waiting for. Benchmark. First let me just clean the screen because I don't know why it's getting so much dust, my friend. This is a beautiful screen, very, very reflective. Sorry, I have to have a lot of light here to get this. Anyway, benchmark. Now, look at the score. Wow. I mean, wow. Now, this is Samsung Galaxy S21, so and latest and greatest flagship. Come on, flagship. Look, that is incredible. Incredible. It's like almost twice in a single core. Twice. Now, I just I don't know what to say. It's this smartphone is a very, very powerful device. Anyway, of course, all the games will work flawlessly. Let's check the audio quality. No copyright music. Hit it. Oh. Well, come on, stop. Well, what can I tell you? If you never heard sound from the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra or Note 21 Ultra, you will think this is a great, wonderful, the greatest sound in the world, but it's not. It's lacking a punch which those two smartphones, which I just mentioned, have. I mean, it lacks of power. Well, it's a very clear, very nice audio, but those two smartphones have a better one. They're better with the audio. That's all it is. Anyway, camera. Let's see camera, my friend. There's a tons of different features here, but a couple of small bugs. Like you can see, this menu is horizontal, not vertical. Why? It needs to be vertical. So when I changing the settings, I have to go like this. It's annoying. Anyway, let's go to the Pro. We have tons of different features here. Wide, UV, macro. Wow, look at the macro. Whoa! Macro lens is just insane. Anyway, all kinds of different features. Let's go to the video. Now with the video, we have 720p, 30 frames per second, 100 full HD and 30 or 60, 4K 30 or 60, and 8K 24 or 30 frames per second. So very, very powerful, and this 4K is very nice settings. Movie frame, show guidance, strain, super macro mode, track motion, AI camera, all kinds of different features. In the photo department, we also have all kinds of different settings. There's also a portrait mode and more. And in more, we have short video, vlog, those presets. You can they're making this very, very nice effects without any editing from your side. Dual video, so both cameras are working at the same time. Like you can see, it's also very nice. Come on, more. super moon. Well, a lot of clouds today, so I won't show you the moon. A lot of clouds. 108 megapixel setting, documents, time lapse, log, long exposure, night, panorama, slow motion, and movie effects. Movie effects. Those effects. Let me show you this. You see, you can have those. See, effects like that. Right away from the camera. Well, anyway, you can all do it in post production and on your PC. 108 megapixel pictures, very nice. But there's one thing which I would change. I want this 108 megapixel function on the main menu here. I could drag it with the Samsung, but I cannot drag it. Or can I? Wait, can I drag it? Yes, I can. Well, I'm an idiot. And now I have here. That's very nice! Okay. So no issue here. There's only one issue with this menu. It should be horizontal, not vertical. Come on.
Couple of pictures for
show
you.
Some pictures.
Wow, look at how
some
blur
videos.
is the background. Very nice, 108 megapixel picture. Very decent, and you can see pretty good sky. Wow, this one looks brilliant.
In S21, you can change the lenses on the fly during the recording. In Mi 11, you can't. That's what it is. There we go. This way. Let's test the macro on the. I don't know, maybe here. Yeah? In here, macro. Well, need something better to test the macro. Maybe on the floor. What do you think? Bear in mind this is in 60 frames per second. Can I do it like this? Oh, yeah. Autofocus in 60 is not that great. So, what's the conclusion? If you're asking about battery, I cannot tell you anything because I have this smartphone for 2 days now. So I cannot tell you anything about battery. The battery is excellent, but 2 days is not enough time. Well, first, what I don't like. It's very sharp edges, very slippery. You need a case. You definitely need a case which is included in the box. So very nice. With the case, it's a little less slippery. It's a very big smartphone compared to the Samsung Galaxy S21. Like you can see, it's humongous. It's like Note size. Anyway, the vertical and horizontal menu, that's what I don't like. And other than that, it's yeah. Now what I like, I mean, it's very powerful, my friends. The screen is insane. The price is just wow. I get the free scooter with it, so the price is mental, and I don't know. It's the best smartphone for 2021. The price to the thing what you get with it, charger, cable, case, free scooter. They give you everything you need, not like an iPhone or Samsung. They only give you a cable. Come on. Sorry, Samsung. Come on. Not that great. Wow. I'm very impressed, especially with the benchmark, which is twice. Insane. Anyway, very recommend. It's the best smartphone for 2021 yet. Thanks for watching, and goodbye. Great success.